So quick tip here, this is a 61 to 67 trunk liner. I got an email about how to do the folds. So when you buy the cardboard trunk liner, you have to make folds here. This is the front part towards the gas tank, and these lines indicate where you're supposed to fold the material. So later bugs will have to have a similar situation, but early bugs don't have that. This is cut off. It just ends to the gas tank. So this line means the flap has to go this way. So give it a shot, guys. It's always good to get, if you have like a long ruler kind of thing here, piece of steel, or this is a leveler, you could use this. So Steve, come on over here and hold it. This is the best way to do it, but that should fold up that line. Yep.
Oh, you on the line?
Mm-hmm. Okay. It's good.
Now I'll take this off. Go back a little bit more.
That's cool. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. And then this section here is the top part. So this is where this part has to fold this way, bend. This is the top part of the triangle. So.
You want it? Hold on.
There you go. As long as it has like a rounded top to it.
Okay, now pick this up. Put it under it again.
And then the second line, right? And that gets folded down, right?
Hold it.
Okay.
It's got to tuck under, right?
It's got to tuck too, yep. That piece tucks under. This has to fold, so this has to bend down also.
Put it over it.
Yep.
Can be on top.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. And there's your curl. So this will lean up against the gas tank. I mean, this should also be folded. So you have like, see, it's more like that.
Right, it should be like this. This should be folded down like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
That looks good. Yep, a square top.
Just cuts underneath, right?
There you go. That's better. There you go. Show everybody here. That's it. Okay, guys. Now you just gotta install it into the car. Let's go do that. So it's always a good idea to set it up into place like this. Get ready to go in. See on this side. Your springs and the spring point for where your hood goes up is usually the problematic area, and a lot of times that tears. So it's always good to set it up like that, and then start pushing into place.
How do I get this around though?
Way to see where the liner is notched there for the wire cover area mounting posts. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay. On the other side. Oh, you're almost there, Dave. Let's do that one side. Hang on. There you go. Just push it down in the crease here. So you don't tear. That's it. Just pops in like that. Alright. So. And here's your curl up here. We should showed last time.
This should be up a little higher now.
This is what that looks like. As long as the board is hooked under this way, that's fine.
Right, okay.
Okay. There you go. Okay. So that's how you put your trunk liner in. Now if you want an easier way to do it, think about buying mine, which is the carpet kit that I have for this. Much easier to fold into place, and you don't have to fight getting it in or possibly tearing the board. Plus mine's more pliable. You can take some water, God forbid you got water spilled on it or any liquid spilled on it, you could wash it off. This would stain and start to bubble and get kind of crinkly. So alright guys, there's that tip. Go to my website to see where to purchase my trunk liner that is carpeted.